There you go, buddy. There it is. We're gonna risk losing it on this next one. No way.
Good luck.
Oh my God, dude. Dude, look at that.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at that. I'm pretty sure this is the guy that died. This must have been where he died. Yikes. Well, rest in peace, buddy. Trout.
In this water.
In this water. Well, this is about what we get to fish.
I think it looks spectacular.
Dude, we got all that runoff right there. All those pockets, all the way down around that corner. I mean, our ledge down here is going to be gnarly to walk across, but time for an epic day. We're straight up in mountain goat territory on this fishing trip. This section of the river is gnarly. It looks like it would be great to go whitewater rafting, but I'll be completely honest with you. I would love to do it. I really would, but I know it's a death wish. Last time somebody hit this, it was on a kayak and he actually died. I know this is one of those things that's like really tragic, but at the same time, I gotta admit, it is kind of cool to be walking on that mountain. Over here. If you haven't seen my video on Quake Lake, you should probably watch it. It'll fill you in on what I'm talking about. I'll be honest, dude, with this, I mean, think about it. You got those two boulders there, you got a tree hanger there. This is nothing but vacuum territory.
With sharp
and
rocks.
Especially right there, that's a sucker hole right there.
And guess what we're doing? We're trying to catch a trout out there.
Right? Trout.
In this water.
In this water. Look at that. Let me put this back in because I thought I turned it off.
Fuck that. That's Dobie's the worst.
Dobies, but worse.
Like between those two rods, look how fucking steep. That's crazy. That's steeper than the thing. That's like apple core steep. Wait. You can't make turns on that. You just got to point it.
Yeah, it's the point. That's exactly the point.
I mean, that's basically Corbett's. Like, I've stood on top of Corbett's.
No, this is like Corbett's. That's a little bit more extreme, dude. But yeah, I really don't see a way down unless you wanted to drop that.
Absolutely.
It sucks. Look at all that good water. My God, dude, this place would eat you whitewater rafting. Look at all these. You're done. Looks like we found a good spot to fish. Turn real quick. I think I just snapped my net. Oh, yep. Casualty of war. That sucks. I was just saying earlier that I catch more fish with no net, and now I just snap my net. Well, let's just go ahead and walk down this. That sucks ass. Little skiing action there at the end with top it off with a snowboard drop.
It literally felt like fucking skiing because it's scratchy and firm up top. And then once you get down here, you hit the wind pocket, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, that's a nice give right there.
Right?
I mean, I literally got to this slag, and then I just started making fucking kick turns.
I basically,
I'm not trying to go straight down. I'll go sideways.
I backed into it on the toe edge, then pointed down snowboard style, and eventually just kind of transitioned to a ski turn there at the end. Hit your camera.
I can't believe it's actually happened. This is why I gave him his first crack. And his net is broken, and we have to bring it back to this. And we have no idea how big it is.
Hold on, whoa, I want to do this with my broken net.
I don't think he's that big.
No, but I wish I was recording because he came up and hit it hard. He hit it hard.
Oh, we're on right now.
The broken net.
Oh, God, that's a nice one. But of course it is. Holy cow. Oh, let's back out. Get it in there. There it is. Holy schmoly, that's
In the
rainbow.
broken net, dude.
That's a nice one. This is why I wanted you to have first crack.
Oh, dude, look at that hook set. Look at that. There you go, buddy. Good. There's only one way to do this right. Let's get a good look at him. There he is, 14, 16 inches. Get a test cast out there real quick, see what angle it takes. All right. We're gonna risk losing it, dude. We're gonna risk losing it on this next one. You saw where that landed, right? No way, I could actually bring it all the way back. It's a sketchy line to bring him back, but I can get him back. So yeah. You see where he's coming through, right?
That's why I figured I can get it pretty hot. Get that one. I wouldn't let you go get that one. They
No way! No way!
Good luck.
Oh my God, dude! Oh my God, do you see the size of that fish? I don't even know where he's at. Whew. Here, look at me real quick. All right, cool. Dude, I have no idea where this guy's at.
This is unreal. He's still on there, right?
I think so. Oh yeah, he's still on there. I saw him. I saw him. All right, I'm forcing you in. I want to broken net this, dude. Here, get behind me real quick. I'll beach his ass if I have to. Wow, dude. Oh shit, here, hold on, hold on. Damn, this is slick. Dude, this guy ate this thing crazy. Look at how he got hooked, dude. It went right through the bottom.
Oh, I see. That's a meaty.
Give me a second, give me a second. Let me get this out of you. There we go. Dude, look at that.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at that.
That's
Oh man. Wow. That is crazy. Go home, dude.
Well,
That last brown across the river bent my spinner. Wow. Straight bent it. Look at that. That sucks. He had one and lost it. Sweet, sweet, sweet. See what he's got. Nice grab. Right? Good color though, dude. Well, I feel like if there was one in there, that shot should have got him. Nope. Nobody's home. Oh. Ah, shit! Oh boy. Where are you?
It's going to be hard to take the past here.
Ah! Well, are you still? Oh, you're still on. Yes. Let's see if I can get in here.
It's another monster.
He's not going anywhere, dude. Wow. Here, hold that, please.
Literally gold free.
Damn. I am recording, right?
Yeah.
Did you turn yours off?
Yeah. No, I turned it on.
No, it's not flashing. Oh, crazy. Look at the size of this thing, dude.
Yeah, I'm not catching up at this point. There's nothing I can do.
He hid it. He hid it in that big pocket.
Of course he did. I'm moving through there with this. Nothing. I moved through there with the silver. Nothing.
There's the objective. So I gave him one of my number 3 copper spinners. That one right there. And told him nuke that pocket right out there. Since I've been hitting him like crazy on this one. See what he gets. Whoa. Bummer. I thought I got a hit right in there. Oh well. I said you probably could raft this with a crew right now, but only right now. Because that vacuum's not that bad. And all you gotta do is get into that gut and aim right where that rock is, where that V hits, and it'll spin you around the corner. I mean, your work, it's working the whole time. The S turn. Well, Chuck said at the slide in that they were only pumping like, I think 400 and something CFS out of the dam. That's cool.
Hey, you got an Oreo.
It is an Oreo, but like it is a lot lower. But dude, I would love to see Red Bull actually hit something like this that's killed multiple people. One that I know for sure.
And you can see why. There's just vacuum hydraulics everywhere.
Number 1 rule of rafting, dude, is look for the vacuum, avoid boilers, and stay away from frowns. Smiles all day long, dude, hit them right in the middle. That's why I said, coming off over there, you can hit that, the little spillover, you'll be all right. You come into that smile right to the right of that rock, and then come down here, get into that over there, and stay on that line until you get to, you know, drop that line, try to get to the right of that center boulder, and then the one on the right of the other big boulder looks like it'll flip you, but that should give you enough time to line up, because all 3 of those on that left side look like they're powerhouses that you'll hit and go right through.
Oh yeah.
So that's the cool part. I'm pretty sure this is the guy that died. This must have been where he died. Yikes. Well, rest in peace, buddy. Nice save. like they finally got one. There you go, buddy. There it is. There it is. That's what I'm talking about, dude.
It's literally right in the corner.
Let me see. I saw how it went through his face. Let's get that tree out of your net.
Look how easy that was.
No, it was just angles and shit like that, dude. I would check your line though, because I don't know if I'm stepping on it or not. That is a good fish, dude. Well, you might as well hold it up and be stoked about it. Just remember, finger in the mouth and they won't fight you as hard. Scar.
Alright, we're on the board now. That's the first nice one.
All it took was to get out of the canyon. Well, there he goes. You're all chewed up. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
I have no idea how well he caught it. Because I did not get a hook set on it.
Well, I don't have a net to help you with, bro. A brownie?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. 3 browns on the trip. Excellent. That's a good sized fish.
That's a thick one. Now we're starting to get somewhere on the pink. Not really not sure. Might as well get a good shot with him, dude.
He doesn't want to give up. It's a good fish.
Not quite as big as that rainbow.
Brutal water, crazy canyons, hardcore bushwhacking. Whoa, ow. Broken nets, lost gear. It's been a wild ride of a day. And I mean like severely broken nets. Jeez. We'll make it work. It happens. Casualties of brown trout and rainbow trout war. Well, looks like we found an easier way out. And now to hike the side of the road all the way back to the vehicles because we are calling it for the day. It was a long one. A lot of gear down. Good fish, but a lot of gear down.